Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for clicking on this video. We are back at the location we was at yesterday. If you've not seen that video, I'll link it up here. We were getting all kinds of problems with the Mavic Mini. We was going to show you like a behind the scenes how to film a cinematic video with the Mavic Mini, but we run into a lot of issues and shared it with a few of the drone community forums and out and about, and then a lot of people were saying that I didn't know what I was talking about. It weren't a warp propeller, it was your sensor issue and GPS issue. I think the point that I probably didn't make in that video was I've flown drones hundreds of times in forests, through tunnels, in different locations, and you just come to know your drone, what it handles like. Yesterday something was clearly wrong. Even if it was in AGI mode, the drone was drifting left and right like you would expect, but every so often it would bank hard left or hard right. It was like someone was throwing the stick hard left or hard right, an uncontrollable pitch. So in today's video we've changed the propellers, we recalibrated the IMU, recalibrated the compass yesterday as well. We're probably going to do that again if it asks for us today, and we're going to try and get the shot again. So let's jump into the video and see how today's shoot goes. Okay, I was just going to send a drone up and start recording. I realised I've left my SD card at home, which is typical. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the SD card out of the camcorder I'm using to film myself. Unfortunately I can't film myself flying the drone, but what I'll do, I'll show the footage straight from the drone and we'll see if we get any of that left and right pitching or any of that sharp pitching that we was experiencing yesterday. So let's see the footage. Okay, so I've just taken off and I'm going to line up the drone how I normally do with this type of tight flying. I am directly behind the drone at this point and trying to get a clear line for the drone to enter the woods. The conditions are pretty much identical to yesterday's flight. We have a slight wind blowing towards us, which is about 2 to 3 miles per hour. Lighting is about the same. We have the sun just breaking through the trees and the ground is probably just a little bit darker than yesterday because it's early morning. Okay, let's push forward and see how she flies. I'm pushing about quarter straight forward on the right stick to try and keep this as smooth as possible. Wowzers, what a difference. This drone feels like a completely different drone compared to yesterday. I literally run this route in one take. I took the drone up, sent it down, one take, done. There's no pitching left, no pitching right, no sharp pitches. I was in C mode again. Like I say, the weather conditions today may be a tad brighter, but not much. The wind conditions are identical, about 2-3 miles per hour like yesterday's video, but there we go. That proves to you, trust your gut instinct. If you know something isn't right with a drone or how it felt before, land a drone, double check it out and do whatever it takes to get it flying properly again before you try any of this kind of flying. So there you go guys, hope you really enjoyed that little bit of flying there. Unfortunately the wind's picked up a bit too much now for the little Mini. It's probably about 12-15 miles an hour now, so we've packed up. We're going to go home, have a look at the footage, and hopefully you've seen it. If you've enjoyed this content, please give it a like, and why not subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, it means a lot. Stay awesome and stay safe guys, see you soon.